Well, hello there, and I'm back in school again today, boys and girls. Back in the breakfast room, and again, I'm not happy at all because I don't see any breakfast for me at all. But I did find a friend, look. Isn't he cute? I think he belongs to the P1s. He's very sweet, isn't he? Hey, Teddy, I'm trying to do some work here. Now you sit over there. So, let's get started. So we begin by writing our date, Friday the 5th of February 2021. So that's Friday the 5th of February 2021. Make sure you write your date every morning. Of course, Friday in school would be spelling test day, so Friday at home should be just the same. So if you're feeling confident, try your best to get a spelling test done today. And let's look through our words, which you should be saying before me as soon as I point to them. Here, here. Remember, those two are homophones. They sound exactly the same, but they have a different meaning. He's, heard, 100, hurry, haven't, hurt, who, whose, whole and whole. Another two homophones, words that sound the same but are spelt differently and have a different meaning. We've looked through all of Sounds in Focus, so it's just a case of completing it now if you haven't already. For our literacy today, we are doing a winter poem. Now, often when you think of a poem, you think of something that rhymes, but poems do not have to rhyme, and there are many poems which don't rhyme. But what they do have is lovely descriptive language, all right? Now, this poem is based on your 5 senses. And the senses are to see, hear, feel, smell, taste. We are so lucky and so blessed to have all of our 5 senses. Now, what I want you to do is sit and think for a minute. Don't start to write right away. Put your pencil or your pen down and think about a winter day. What could you see? Now think of our winter scene last week. You could steal some of those ideas from there to describe what you see. Now, I don't want to see a sentence that says, I can see snow, okay? Because we're in P4. We can do a little bit of more sophisticated writing than that, okay? So you could say something like, I see snow-topped hills in the distance and a nice little snowman amongst all of the snow. I can see children running around having snowball fights. Okay, so we want something detailed and descriptive, not just one word. Think about what you can hear in wintertime. Squeals of delight from children. Maybe if it's a very wintry, windy day, you could hear the wind whistling through the trees. You can hear a snowplow nearby, maybe, scraping up the snow. What can you feel? Can you feel the icy wind against your face? Can you feel a cold snowball banging you on the back of the head? What can you smell? Sometimes on a cold day, on a cold wintry day, you might smell hot chocolate being made at home. I can smell the delicious scent of hot chocolate wafting through the air. You could also use that for taste. I can taste the delicious creamy hot chocolate and a warm cookie fresh from the oven. But you use your imagination, boys and girls. You think of your ideas and write as much detail as you can. Now, you don't have to fill all of the lines all of the time, but you really try your best to write as much as you can and to be as descriptive as you can. And don't worry about rhyming. Rhyming is not important for this winter poem. Just lovely description is what I'm looking for. Moving on to our maths then, and we are solving word problems related to the 4 times tables. And of course, we've been looking at the 4 times tables for the past few days, so this should be no problem. Try to answer the questions without sneaking a peek at your booklet, but if you need it, it is there for you, all right? Now, Borrow Vale Football Club is selling match tickets. the adult ticket is £7. And of course, as is common, the child ticket is cheaper. It's £4. And there's a family ticket for £10. So question 1A asks you how much each person has to pay for what they are buying. So this man is buying 4 adult tickets. The little boy is buying 3 child tickets. And the mummy there is buying 4 family tickets. So each of those questions requires a 4 times something calculation. All right. Question 2 then, we see merchandise for sale. A scarf for £8, a jersey for £9, a little Borrowvale banner you could maybe hang up in your bedroom for £4, and a nice woolly hat for those cold winter days at the football, £6. And question 2 asks you then for the price of certain numbers of these items. So the price of 4 scarves, 4 jerseys, 8 banners, 4 hats. And then for question E and F, you're going to have to do a bit of multiplying and then a bit of adding. So you need to find out the price of 7 banners and 1 scarf. So you're going to have to do multiplication to find out the cost of the banners and then add them on to the cost of the scarf. Same over here, you've got 1 jersey but 4 banners. So you're going to have to do 4 times something to find out the price of the banners and then add on the price of the jersey. Question C then has various questions that are in the 4 times tables, but each time a number is missing. So you just need to fill in the missing number. All right? Right, Teddy, what else do I have to tell them? Do they have to do accelerated reading? Yeah. What about Sumdog? Yeah. Do I have to tell them something else? Oh yes, I know what it is now. Thanks, Teddy. On Monday, packs of work will be available for collection and they contain 2 weeks of work again. So make sure that someone comes in on Monday to collect your packs of work. And of course, I will see you on Class Dojo on Monday too. See you then and have a lovely weekend. Bye bye.